ya roh itu rai menem setiap pengakin dengan jing tia em ngasau stom hangam saula ban wan jing seng rai perkat pada ngong dengan lej ro gikun mang sau san ai bagi kwa jing seng rai ngakin atang asyat ding syat ngawan lagawan ken dengan apoi hang ni pan kajing ro kajing mani jong kikana mak ai men sia nga ngasau ko ta kajing lai lut ku culai kan san met dalam ngadang dep cha sumar em ngasap puit te ngamla ban ra ni kakti ngatiang galong perking ba tahi ngai ngu utrai apen khia yang ha mamne.
And sister is giving this testimony that this morning she had been feeling very, very sick, did not have the strength to come here, but she didn't want to stop her children who really wanted to come for this kids. So this morning that we had the service, so she brought her children along. But as they were leading in the praise and worship, these little children, she received that healing from God as she was in that praise and worship.
But ngakwa wani tu ko ai ma, bat lidai tang baret rai hang apat ngasau la dei ka bakrau ha namar ampat Jumat kum kata, agas ngi balang mawan jing sang Nongthymmai ngakiu kali te idon tangi ba ikong ba syong ata apo te khamya kerani ai hi bat ngai syong banya sngap bet te I herno hadan giti ipen siu bai kali yang te ngapat nga alngo mo isu ong ite iba I pisim kanno hado omat pran mo ngan siu langi ini ikong te ngapala anglingo ata kai nu isim isu bai kali yang mo ha bangam ito tang bakata hi gawai namar haswa bangan lech Nongthymmai em ngasiu bai kali kan gi para bangai dei nak takada mo bangile bahai para bangai cha utrai ai nong hang to te porongwan pai ngayo e tak jingir ku kan.
And she also shares about what had happened last Wednesday while she was coming for service here at there at Nongthymmai. She took a taxi and there was another lady who was there with her. But on the way, this lady, the co-passenger, asked the driver how much is the fare for this lady as well next to me, and she was paying her taxi fare. And this is something that she received a blessing because lately before this she had paid a taxi fare for other believer. So she is giving this testimony because what she did to others, God had responded back and given back to her. For the Lord says, blessed are the merciful, for they shall receive mercy.
Bat sekawai rumah hapor mengati hospital, ki doktor ki ong yang dan kam senam, re hapor mengasyak puit ke senam dan kam nak tang ong try dah syak puit te kepisar lalut mo di ki pau hajar, re bami istingkar dan kam siu re. Syubha alij ai bikum to syurung ai shmi ai dan kam siu ai.
And lately she was also hospitalized. She had to go through treatment and the doctor said she will be needing blood. But when the treatment was done, she did not need any blood. And on top of that, she did not even need to pay the bills. Why? Because it was God's doing and blessing upon her.
But gini gibanai December Januari gumtu nga usoitan ulak mot pen mensau yang ada ke thanam te la arsian ngalamat dia kata ngara ka ka kiu gumtu mot pen sumi ikon nga betut yang te kata ka ha jaka bakan hot nga ring sto uri trai uknyat ya kata ka kiu stai arsian kata kala ja tengah tal ngasu aingu bibang ngasu angwit trai aingu mela pelat yang amon dengan gaji mensau namar ko ko barang khluj baik nading kata hing aingu trai bola pelat.
And she also gives a testimony of what had happened, how God had delivered her twice. There was two incidents where boiling hot water could have come poured on her body, but God saved her and delivered her. And this is how she thanked the Lord by giving this testimony.
But kani kajing pala em man hakato siya bahay ro kadan kakamba te ngong ngan up da umun simun kentu mo hanrai kat bangadang syong anang perkat ngong kumno kanya habang alakal bemut la lai senam saw senam ngamdei syu badang khalung mo ngan up umun sim bakoi ngong khile kumta entah kala dei kapor yang ngabangan buram umun sim bakoi mo te kata kay ngala kular umun sim ngong apan ma ngan plan ok mata kasngi ngakular mo ka ikabajia ato haboy syuakan arbanai ba I ngilak ko akin malik jing sang shaboy tingi perkat akali mangilai dak ai te mdei bang ya thu sarong moi kata pla bo usrai la kerku mo tampoi perkat bo trai ai kali tengila yo malik jing sang shaboy tang ba haswa jong katu pat em ikon jong ai isha iklan milai re habon step marsen ki isu prebe namar ba isha smart ban yo pre penhar marsen pre kum tang syong ba trang ha malik jing sang gani kon kal apre ngan le kum no te kum tahi ngarai I shabar te ilak penhar hado sanse ni pri hado sanse ni ilak telot bah ngai umne syu ngai ja syar umne syu te ngawat dawai ru dan te dawai ru tang si syama hi tang si sendi te ngapendi itar ka apre no te ngaperkhan ngong lek pan dawai ni parmarjan ngwan ji perkhan ngong em ngamde nga ka ban krong mo ngamde ka uji sum so tanat yang abang lek krong te ngas ngap ka sa umtang akan mau yo to umniang pala pen kintangi pastor ngasim ya kata ngaduai ngong weh kerteng uji sum ngong pre penhir pansange pembet penthut ka kon jang abang lek jing sikri tengah krek nak kanya pen krek ia krek ala di roda kajinga inga pen krek bet tengah pen syong ia pok kali tengah lari di plastik ong yo iprema Thymmai kempre kada pois tu cuma dan li laran siat di lajam baru cisngi la yo chong sukam dan jing penwet bentut higa buram jong balai amen.
And again during previously as well when she came for the service, her daughter, who was usually always healthy, but that morning she began to vomit and have loose motion, and she was about to go and seek help from her neighbor, but she comes to realize that it is not good for her to go seek help from anyone else, but only for God. But then later she had this oil which was anointed by pastor, was prayed upon, dedicated. So then later she applied the oil, and then her daughter immediately received that healing, and she was able to attend the service along with her, and her daughter was throughout the day very active and healthy. We give Lord a loud clap for that. See, when we are radicals of Christ, even sickness will be afraid of us.